Bwrdd da, croeso cynnes iawn i chi gyd am y diwrnod arbennig heddi. Ddiwrnod o gofio a myfyrio, un flwyddyn ers dechrau y cyfnod clo cyntaf. Good morning, may I welcome you all as we gather for our Swansea Bay Health Board National COVID Memorial Day and this short service of reflection.
As the only Muslim chaplain having to cover all of Swansea Bay University Health Board, it is with great honour that I have been chosen to look after staff, patients and families across the Health Board. I have had to deal with birth and death, great sadness and loss, followed by mixed feeling of joy and happiness as COVID patients returned home to their loved ones and their families. Throughout this whole emotional experience, each time I felt blessed knowing that I have faith in Allah to guide me through. With a heart full of hope for staff, patients and families, I carried on with my journey with great love and patience, whilst praying for strength and guidance through these challenging times.
Some cultures see the rainbow as a bridge from this world to the next. Others as a pathway leading to the light of the heavens. During this year, the rainbow has taken on a new representation. It has become synonymous with the NHS and as a way for others to show their solidarity and support for key workers.
All of us will have our own experiences that we wish to reflect on. It'll be a time of emotion, a time of memory, a time of sadness, but also a time to recognise the support and the fraternity that we've experienced from the hands of fellow members of staff and friends and colleagues here at the Swansea Bay Health Board.